Oh, got the egg master, got me the signal. It's time to take a peek. Oh yeah. Gonna need 6 or 7 more people, or 2 more days to eat it. Oh, look at that. He's trying out his new latest utensil, the meat hooker. Oh, getting that perfect caramelization going. These are St. Louis style ribs Brandon recommended. There is one more person coming over, at least, that we know of.
I hope so.
One of Brandon's friends. So.
That would be good.
Otherwise, we might be eating those while we're trolling for flounder tomorrow.
Yeah. We're using them for redfish bait.
I did get an ultimate sub with everything on it, though, so that's 3 meals for tomorrow at least. But we'll see.
That's awesome.